Hey everyone, this is Vikas and Sonali. Today I am taking you on an epic journey to one of the Karnataka's hidden gem, Uttari Betta.
Are you looking to escape the city and enjoy the nature?
So tie your hiking boots and let's explore this beautiful trail together. Uttari Betta is in Tumkur district and it takes around 1.5 hours to reach the starting point. The drive is scenic and the road is in good condition. This is Uttari Betta and we will be going all the way to the top. The time is 7:30 am and the weather is perfect, full of clouds. Uttari Betta is moderately challenging trek, about 5 kilometers long altogether.
This is the starting point of the trek. So we will be going there on top. Right now it's covered in clouds. We'll get more clarity when we reach.
It takes around 5 to 6 hours to complete. The trail begins at the small village of Hutridurga. As you can see, it's already bustling with the fellow trekkers. The trail is well marked and offers a mix of rocky paths, grassy meadows and dense forest. We have reached the halfway point and look at this stunning view. From here you can see the sprawling landscape of rocky hills and lush greenery. It is the perfect spot to take a breather, snap some photos and enjoy a quick snack. Remember to carry some snacks and energy bars to keep you fueled for the rest of the trek. The last stretch of the trek is a bit more challenging with the steeper inclines and narrow pathways, but trust me, the effort is worth it. Keep pushing forward and soon you will be rewarded with one of the most stunning views in Karnataka. We have made it to the top of Uttari Betta. While we are hoping for a clear view, we are instead greeted by a mystical blanket of clouds. It's like we have stepped into another world up here. The clouds give the summit a serene feel, making this experience truly unique. The atmosphere is absolutely magical and peaceful.
This is the highest viewpoint of Uttari Betta and the trek was definitely worth it. This is another spot. We were sitting there a few minutes back. At that place there are many spots where you can sit and relax. Quite beautiful. You can easily spend around 1 to 2 hours. I can say more than 2 hours. So it's around 11 o'clock and we have started the descent. The weather was so good and I can rate this trek one of the best treks that we have done. So let's see how much time it takes for us to come down.
Please subscribe to our channel to watch more trekking videos.